Imagine stepping outside on a seemingly ordinary day, only to notice something different. The air feels heavier, the seasons appear less predictable, and the news is filled with reports of unusual weather patterns. This is not just a coincidence, but a manifestation of the tangible reality of global warming. Today, we delve into how the changes in our climate are no longer predictions of a distant future, but are in fact visible right now. To understand the present impacts, let's begin with the melting ice caps. The Arctic, often referred to as the planet's air conditioner, is warming at more than twice the rate of the rest of the world. Satellite imagery over the years has shown an alarming reduction in Arctic sea ice. On the other side of the globe, the Antarctic ice sheets are also melting at unprecedented rates. This melting contributes significantly to rising sea levels, transforming coastlines, and potentially displacing millions from their homes in low-lying areas. Imagine coastal cities being submerged, living spaces shrinking, and the human impact that follows. In cities across the world, we can see another facet of global warming: the urban heat islands. Skyscrapers and concrete absorb and retain heat, making cities warmer than their surrounding areas. As global temperatures rise, these heat pockets exacerbate the conditions significantly. Residents in many cities have already felt the higher temperatures, often leading to increased demand for energy as air conditioning becomes less of a luxury and more of a necessity. Agriculture, too, paints a vivid picture of our warming planet. Farmers across continents are witnessing shifts in growing seasons and unpredictable weather, affecting crop yields. Staple crops like wheat, maize, and rice are under threat, risking global food security. Moreover, extreme weather events like droughts and floods are now occurring with greater frequency and intensity, further challenging our ability to grow food sustainably. The oceans provide another poignant visual of this warming. Coral reefs, vibrant ecosystems that support a quarter of all marine life, are experiencing widespread bleaching. This process, where corals expel symbiotic algae due to rising sea temperatures, results in stark white coral skeletons. If trends continue, scientists warn of a future where the colorful corals turn into lifeless underwater deserts, disrupting marine biodiversity and affecting communities relying on the ocean for sustenance. And then there's the wildlife. Countless species are being forced to adapt to rapidly changing habitats. For instance, polar bears, once able to traverse vast icy terrains, now find their hunting grounds shrinking. Many species are shifting their ranges poleward or to higher altitudes in search of cooler climates, leading to extensive alterations in ecosystems and sometimes pushing local flora and fauna to extinction. Yet, despite the severity, these visible signs are more than just warnings. They are calls to action. Many argue that since human activities have exacerbated these issues, human ingenuity and resolve must address them. The shift towards renewable energy sources, improved city planning, and sustainable farming practices are just the beginning. Policies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions are critical. In conclusion, the visibility of global warming is a testament to the magnitude of its impact. It serves as a stark reminder of the urgency with which we must approach this crisis. As the signs become more apparent, so does our responsibility to take meaningful action. The question we face is not whether we can see the effects of global warming, but whether we choose to respond in time to alter its course. Our planet's future hangs in the balance of our present decisions. Let us choose wisely.